So, all the whole terrorists that have been putting on the military uniform, all the whole movie actors, actresses who put on police uniform and so on and so forth. I would not say police uniform, something that looks like police uniform. Because if they do not write Nigerian Police Force, that uniform is not a police uniform. So, the Nigerian Police Force detained the very dark man. It is so unfortunate. In other country, you wearing a uniform does not make you a police, they did not inscript Nigeria Police Force (NPF) in that shirt. So police supposed not to take action to arresting very dark man because of that. When I saw this news, breaking Nigeria Police detained very dark man after honoring invitation in Abuja, I said no. I think very dark man already have enough enemy. He has too many enemies, and the enemies they are trying to nail him down, and that is the one of the most dangerous things. When you are fighting to keep Nigeria one, when you are fighting for Nigeria, they won't even understand that, oh, you are fighting for the masses, you are doing this because the enemy of the masses are the police, the military, the politicians. So he has been working with the police, giving police intel, fighting for people, writing petition. You think police will be happy with you? They won't be happy with you because when you fight against people, they bribe police to make sure they restrict everything. You are still pushing. The guy is doing wonderfully well, in my own opinion. But Nigeria is not a normal place. Nigeria is not a normal country. Yeah, he will still come out, definitely today or tomorrow. He will still come out. But what I'm trying to say is that Nigeria is not a normal place. Someone who put on a clothes that look like police uniform supposed not to be arrested. This is a public figure. Everybody knows what he's doing, the kind of thing he did. So they need people who are terrorizing Nigeria, who are putting on military uniform to carry out insecurity activities and so on and so forth. They invited very dark man and they arrested him. Now, Chara reporter reported what happened in this way. It reads, the Nigerian Police Force on Thursday evening detained social media influencer Martins Otse, popularly known as Very Dark Man. Although VDM's offense was not known at the time of finding this report. His lawyer Deji Adeyanju said he was detained after honoring a police invitation. In a post on X on Thursday, Adeyanju disclosed that his client had honored a similar invitation on Wednesday. His post read, our client VDM has been detained after honoring a police invitation just like yesterday. VDM has been consistent in stating that the Nigerian police are our friends, even when we all know they are not. Shara reporters had reported that Very Dark Man tendered a public apology to the Nigerian Police Force for using police uniform in a viral video where he described himself as CSP of an online division. Let me stop before I will read further. Very Dark Man, you all saw the video, right? When he posed online and said, I am the CSP of online division. That has connotation, right? Because of the work he's doing. Normally, VDM apologized, but if I am in his position, I will never apologize. I, Okocha Happy Marcel, will not apologize. Let them take me to anywhere they want to take me because that cloth is not a police uniform. I cannot buy clothes in the market and sew it, even though it looks like police uniform. Though, what makes uniform to become a police uniform is when you put the badge of Nigerian Police Force, NPF. That makes the uniform to be Nigerian Police Force. Did Nigeria Police bought it for him? Do they buy it for him? I don't understand. So I can sew any kind of clothes I want to. So go to other countries. People wear soldier uniform, military uniform, go up and down. That does not make them a military man. But in Nigeria, we leave things that are important to focus things that are not important. It's unfortunate. Now the article continues. Very Dark Man made the apology in a post and video he posted on his X account after he was grilled by the Nigerian police on Wednesday for alleged impersonation. The social media influencer professed unawareness of the protocol, stating that he didn't know police permission was required to wear police uniform or other similar ones. Now, here is the video he made that very day. Take a listen.
All right, so I'm back from the police station. It was back and forth, back and forth. They brought me in based on the post that I made where I said I was a CSP of the online division. So a lot of discussion happened, interrogation, and I found out some things. We learn every day. Now, first of all, I made my video and I said CSP, my own interpretation. What I meant was Chief Social Media Person. However, the Nigerian Police have a rank called CSP, which means Chief Superintendent of Police. And also, they said the uniform I was wearing is similar to the Nigerian Police. That if at all you want to use a uniform that is similar to that of the Nigerian Police, you have to seek permission, which I didn't know all these. You understand? So it's looked as if I was caricaturing the Nigerian Police, which was never my intention. So I want to make a formal apology to the Nigerian Police. Of course, I cannot caricature you. Without you, who is going to protect us, you know? And of course, if I caricature, I won't do cases for me, because I bring a lot of cases for you guys based on the people that are being scammed online. And as you all know, I promote social and moral uprightness in the society. So apologies to the Nigerian Police if they are offended by my video. Furthermore, to anybody that wants to use anything that's associated with the police that looks like the police, because now I find out, say, even though no be police, they right. So if I say resemble police some way, that's still police. You must take permission from them, because some people can actually use that kind of thing, can't go rob. Do you understand? Some people feel can use that and go rob, claiming police impersonation and other things. However, in my own video, I just made it and that was it. You know, so I've submitted the uniform I used to the police, and then everything. I don't know where we move on from here, but apologies to the Nigerian Police. And like I said, if you want to use anything police, go meet police. So may they give you clarity. All these content creators and every other person, so that you know go enter this and may they go invite you. You understand? So if you want to use the police, anything I should do with the police, listen. Make sure say you go seek permission, or else you're gonna learn, and you're gonna learn the hard way. So shout out to the Nigerian Police as usual, and they bring more case to now. Peace and love. Don't play.
Now, as you can see in the video, VDN caution fellow content creators to obtain necessary clearance from law enforcement before using similar uniforms for content purposes. Now, if Nigeria is a law-working country or law-abiding country, I swear to God, court is going to stop police from restricting people to using clothes that looks alike to their uniform. This is not police uniform. It's just a clothes that look like police uniform. So I am so surprised to see that the police are now flexing muscles on the matter that does not concern them too much. We have so many criminal activities and so many things going on. I'm so surprised that the criminal investigation unit are now investigating clothes that someone wore online. He did not wear it to go and do bad things. If not, he will not come online to say I'm the online CSP and putting out police uniform that look alike others. Anyway, when you apologize for something, it means you have accepted you are guilty. But if I'm in the position, I will never accept that I am guilty. Let's go to court. I will tell the court that this is not police uniform. If I'm going to court, I will put on that clothes and come to court to tell the court that this is not police uniform. I bought it here. I saw it. Even though it looks like police does not make it to be a police uniform. Well, I think Nigerian police should be guided.